Hi everyone and welcome back to SanaA's garden, and welcome if you're new here. I hope you all are doing great and staying safe. So today's video is about my strawberry bed spring maintenance. This strawberry bed was made the summer of last year and I had planted only 5 bare root strawberries, and just 5, and all of these are the offshoots or the self rootings of my strawberry plants. So strawberry beds can get too bushy and an uncontrollable tangled mess if we do not keep on top of it every year. So after the winter, the plants are waking up and have put on quite a lot of growth from the beginning of spring. So it is best to clean your strawberry beds in March or April, or just when the new growth starts to appear. I'm kind of late to tackle my strawberry beds, but better late than never. So the condition is pretty bad. There is quite a few weeds, and the soil level has gone too low, and the hay from last year has gone all brown and doesn't look good. So let's get started with our cleaning. Cleaning up my strawberry bed would have been a very simple and straightforward process if it was just tidying up, removing the old growth, and weeding and just taking the old hay off. But there was a lot of work for me in store because, as you can see, and I have shown it already, the soil level in my strawberry bed has sunken really low. More than half of the raised bed is exposed, so there is literally not enough soil here for the roots to grow nicely. So what I'm thinking is I will dig out all of my strawberry plants and top up the whole bed with a lot of compost, so it has a nice and fresh and a lot of compost for all of my strawberry plants to grow properly. To dig out the strawberry plants, what I'm doing here is I'm cutting all the runners that are still attached to the other strawberry plants, so it is easier to dig the plant as an individual rather than the whole clump coming away. I'm being too careful actually to dig out the root ball, but it's okay if you're unable to take out the whole root ball because strawberry plants are really tough, and if they can grow from a bare root, they can do well in this little transition. So yeah, I'm just being very careful. So this is how the strawberry bed is looking without all the strawberry plants. I have a few volunteer carrots growing in there, and these are all the strawberry plants that came out from the bed. And you can see the soil level has sunken so low, so I am just giving it a little bit of rake to level out what is already in there and also to remove any big rocks from it. And now I will fill up the whole bed with fresh compost. I had just one of this large bag on hand, but I think it was okay. If I had more compost, I could have filled it up a little bit more, but I think this is good to go. So it's looking much better already. And now I'm adding some biohumus. This will improve the soil aeration and help in retaining some moisture, and also makes the roots stronger. I just had it on hand, so I thought why not just add it. It also helps in better drainage. Next, I'm adding these strawberry plant food granules into the soil. I got this from B&Q. I think it is discontinued currently, but I'll try and link it if it is available still. So it helps in maintaining the overall health of the plant, developing a good root system, and producing a better quality fruit, and also encouraging more foliar growth. So I think it's a win-win. So I'm adding all of these granules generously into my whole strawberry bed. And next I'm adding the sulfate of potash. I got this as well from B&Q, but you can find it in most of the stores and also on Amazon. I will link it down below in the description box. So it has an NPK ratio of 0:048. So sulfate of potash is a booster for bigger and more abundant flowers and fruits. The fruits taste better and flowers are more fragrant. It is ideal for all fruit trees, bushes and flowers. It encourages disease and drought resistance, and it has immediate nutrient release. So I think it is really straightforward and easy to use, just sprinkling it over the soil as a top dressing. So going a little bit off topic here, if you haven't watched my milk jug planting or the winter sowing videos, you might not know what this is. So I had sown some seeds, and these are the Walla Walla onions. So now that I'm ready to plant, I was thinking why not just plant the onions along the border of the raised bed, because onions are a great companion plant for strawberries, because the pungent odor from the onions make them really a good companion plants, because the unappealing odor is a natural deterrent to many of the garden pests that feed on the leaves of the strawberry plant. So I thought why not just tuck them in there as my strawberry guards. Onions are done, and now down to the most easiest step of the whole process. I must say that it has been a very tiring project, because the soil was so hard while digging out the strawberries. It took a lot of hard work, and cleaning up and then filling the whole compost and all the nutrients and goodies. And now this is the best step, and finally you come to see that, oh, this is the end. And it is really satisfying once all the plants are in there and safe and secure. So planting is a really straightforward. I have also done a video in the past on how to plant strawberries. You can watch that. I will link it in the eye above and also in the description box down below. So just make sure that the crown is above the soil level and not buried. So once all the planting is done, I'm just dressing the top layer of the compost with hay. This is because when the plants start to grow strawberries, the strawberries can rest on the hay rather than on the soil directly. It will prevent any bugs from attacking the fruit, and also it is nice and fresh to pick your fruit and eat it right away. At least my kids do that. That looks so much better already. I mean, it has come a long way. In the beginning it was looking like an abandoned mess with such a low soil level and weeds and whatnot, but now it is all looking good. I'm giving it a good watering, soaking it really well so that the plants have enough water to soak in, and they're looking a little bit tired now, but they have bounced back the very next day and look so much fresh. And literally I have checked on the strawberries today before uploading this video, and they are having so many blooms on them. I'm just surprised and I cannot wait for it. Every single plant is loaded with flowers. So this is the very next day after my project, and all of my strawberry plants are looking healthy and fresh, and all of them have bounced back and no damage and nothing dead at all. And this is literally before uploading this video, and all of my strawberry plants are having loads and loads of blooms on them. And I have also secured my strawberry bed with the chicken wire because I do not want the squirrels or any uninvited guests to attack my future strawberries or my strawberry plants. So anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you all really enjoyed watching this one, and if you also have a strawberry bed to clean, I hope that this video inspires you to get that done today. Thanks for watching. Keep gardening. Bye.